Hi, gorgeous ghouls. How's everyone doing today? I missed a week, but I'm back and we're gonna get a lot of recording done today and in the next few days. So this video today is for an unboxing of the Cosmic Crystal box. This is it. And if you want to see what's in the box, stick around. All right, y'all. Let's see. See there, I have to say I'm at the beginning. I don't know why. Yes, I have on my big wig today. This is one of my favorite wigs ever. I believe the woman who made it, her name's Lana. I think her company is Crude Things. It's been a lot of years since I ordered this one. I've had this one for 11 years? 11 or 12 years now. I think 11. Not positive. Anyway, that's neither here nor there at this point, but I'm trying to sit here at my table to do these unboxings so that I can have the counter and everything. But let me tell you about this box. This is the box, and it's the Cosmic Crystal box from Crate Joy. I don't know if they have a site. I'm sure they do. I didn't check. I ordered this through Crate Joy. Now, the first box you get from them evidently is, I will try to remember to insert a picture of it here or there, is a new subscriber box. It will have amethyst cluster, clear quartz point, aventurine necklace, and rough rose quartz. That doesn't look rough. That looks tumbled. I'm looking at the picture here. Yeah. Anyway, I'm just looking at these things. So, this is supposed to be, it says order by the 29th to get this box, which is really weird because it says you get that no matter what for the first box. But after that, you will your box will ship on the 6th of every month. So blah, 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 blah. Okay. And plans as low as $20.95. So I'm going to see if this is worth, I don't know what if there was shipping, I don't remember. Evidently, the Cosmic box retail value is $30 to $42. There's also a Cosmic Crystal jewelry box, which, you know, I'm real picky about my jewelry when it's, I don't like a lot of wrapped crystals unless they are super, super cool. Like the ones that have, what is it? The Tree of Life done on them. Those, I like those. I'm really particular, and not that there's anything wrong with those. It's just not something that I prefer. So let's get into this box and see if there's anything in here that, if it looks as good as the picture, let's put it that way. Got my Glam Goth Love Kills knife. Trying to keep my address out of the way here. It's a very small box, so, you know, when I first saw it, I was like, okay, yeah, which of course for that much money, that, you know, only 20 bucks, 21 bucks, it's like, is it gonna be, how tiny are the crystals and what's the quality of them when you get into it? And I'm still trying to figure out how to open this box. There we go. All right, that down. This is what it looks like when I open it. We have the card, and on the back it has rose quartz telling about it. We have an amethyst one, which is my birthstone, clear quartz, and aventurine. There we go. There's those. Those are the cards. It tells about them. So, and that's a very pretty card. It really is. The one with their name on it. All right, let's see here. We have a little bag. No baggie. It appears to have, I really think the quartz is what they meant, not the rose quartz. Let me go back up here to this. Let's see here. Necklace, okay. Yes, that's a nice chunk. Check it out. And as y'all can see, I finally got my striped curtains hung up. Took me long enough. I need to get different curtain rods though, because they're not very sturdy. They're the older ones I had with the lightweight shears, and these are heavy, quite a bit heavier. So yeah, every time you try to close them, they'll it falls off at the time. So, oh no, you see the, yeah, there you go. Nice pretty chunk there. The necklace is in a little baggie here. I hope the chain isn't all tangled up. And this is just like, again, it's like the basic. I remember my uncle when I was I even a teenager? I believe I was a teenager. I was a teenager or preteen. I want to say teenager though. He got me a black crystal. I want to say it was probably obsidian. It might have been onyx. I don't know, but it was black and it was made in the same style. I love that thing. I couldn't believe he got me something so cool. He always got me the good gifts though. There you go. On a silver chain, which, yes, silver chain. That makes me very happy. And it's really pretty. I do have a point in, no. It's pretty. Yeah, and I love that it has a silver chain instead of a gold chain. Let's move some more of this around, and here is, okay. So this is the quartz here. This is rose quartz, which isn't very rosy, which that's okay because it doesn't have to be. People assume, you see so much of the dyed crystals. Everybody thinks that all crystals are these vibrant purples and citrine's a bright yellow, deep dark. No, they're not. So be aware of these sorts of things. This is the rose quartz, and this is the, see, and the thing is, this is rough, but in the picture it shows a pink one that looks like a tumbled stone, which I'm fine with this. This makes me happy. I don't know. I feel that if you get a rough one, the energy in it is, maybe there's a reason for the tone. Maybe I'm wrong here completely. Please let me know. Correct me if I'm wrong or if you don't agree with this. This crystal is naked, natural, a chunk off of a bigger piece that comes into your life and you can put your own energy into it. And when it's already been tumbled and handled, I mean, they're so handled, I understand that, but I don't know, this feels more pure to me. Very pure. Not that I mean, I have plenty of tumbled ones, yes, but this, I like them rough. I like rough crystals. And this here, this has got a really nice point on it. I'm trying to see. Does it have, I mean, kind of a, I'm trying to see. I can't see really well because I have my glasses on, so, but there you go, nice and clear there. And it's a nice rough spot right there. I like that. Okay. Now here's the amethyst. It's wrapped up on the bottom because I believe it's like from a geode. The bottom has the, and this is another thing. Is it really from that, or did they make it on concrete? Homemade, you know, handmade crystals. That's when you get those ones that are so vibrant. This isn't quite as fake vibrant, so I feel pretty good about this one. Yeah. All right. Let me see where they took the slice out. But I have a really big cathedral. When I say really big, it's not really, to me it's really big because I can't afford. It's probably about this tall, this wide, amethyst, and I love it. It stays on my altar and I love it. So let me see here. There's only 28 reviews on this box. There are actually hearts, you know, people who like put in their wish list or favorited them or something. Has 2,907. There's only 28 reviews, but they're almost a 5-star. Let me see what the actual point number is here. 4.6 out of 5. So now, as I stated, they said this is the box you get, your new subscriber box. And it came pretty quickly. I don't remember. It's been sitting on my table for a couple weeks now because I got a new tattoo of my bee. I don't know if you could see it, but if you're on my Facebook or you follow me on Instagram, you've seen it. Or maybe you haven't because of algorithms. But that put me behind on my filming because I just didn't want to, it had the wrap on it and all that, and I just didn't want to be on screen like that. But anyway, back to what I was saying. I'm going to, they've already charged me for my next box. And I'm going to see what that one's like, since I already knew what was coming in this box. And I haven't looked on there. I believe they have on Instagram, but I have not checked it out so that I don't know if they give spoilers. I don't know any of that. This is really me going in blind on this one, other than what I saw. And I really like these crystals. So I said, okay, well, the first box is this. I know what I'm getting. Let's move from there. Which that kind of makes it, it's good and bad. You know what you're getting in the first box, but then that really isn't representative of what's in every box, because it could be something really bad. I don't know. But I'm looking, you can see a light pink tint to this. After this being so pink, and I don't know. So anyway, I'm rambling again. I have some more unboxings I'm going to film today, so everybody will see me in this wig for a couple of videos, and then we're back into the clothing hauls. I do want to make it clear to anybody who's like an OG, they that have followed me from the beginning, I am still doing clothing hauls. That's my main thing, is clothing hauls. I want to do beauty stuff, things like that. I wanted to add a little bit of variety to fill in during the times I'm waiting. I actually have a huge Killstar haul, well, huge to me. I mean, it was like quite a bit of money to me. It was about $300 worth of stuff. Of course, with Killstar, that could be 2 items, but I'm joking. Anyway, I have a huge Shein haul, another over $200 haul. And with Shein, that's a lot of stuff. And I also have a Hot Topic haul. I'm going to do a haul with various companies of flares, because I love the flare leggings. They're like leggings, but they flare. They're so soft and comfortable. I love them. And what was the other ones coming? Hot Topic. There was one other one, and now I'm just told. Oh, I also have a Rose Gal and a Dress Lily one coming. So these orders are supposed to be here at the end of the week, a couple of them. So these will be up next week, I'm sure. The clothing bit hauls will start again. So don't think I just changed my channel or something like that, because I have not. I just wanted to add a few other things that I think are interesting, or want to test out a few things. I thought I'd share it with you as I'm testing them out. And I have a hair in my wig that keeps going down in my eye and is driving me nuts. Yes, squirrel. You know my brain by now if you've been around for a while. But this is all really nice. We have this and this one, and then the Amethyst. Honestly, I think in the picture here, the box you get, the chunk looks, let me see next to that. It looks a little bigger. And like I said, it is a tumbled stone for the quartz, or the rose quartz. So, yeah. Anyway, that's the end of this video, and I'm gonna get on to, I have Sugar Muses, and what is the other box I have? I don't remember. Oh, my Boxy Charm. Oh, I have some add-ons in it, so that's why, yeah, that's why I was so confused, because it's inside another box. So, I'm gonna wrap this one up right now and get on to recording the other stuff, and hopefully I haven't had lipstick on my teeth this whole time, because that would make me nuts if that happened. My brain just went. But yeah, so if you like the video, please subscribe, hit the like button and the subscribe, hit the bell if you want to be notified. Anybody new? Let me know if you're new here. It's nice to meet you. Welcome to my channel. Probably should say all these things in the beginning, but my brain doesn't work like that, so it is what it is. But anyway, I'm out of here for right now, and just remember, you're beautiful just the way you are, and don't let anyone take away your shine. See y'all later. Bye.